Hello students, today we will see NCERT questions of chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals. Question number 8. Till question number 7 we have done earlier. Now see question number 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate which can be broken easily to give energy. So we get instant energy from glucose. Means that beta, you know that carbohydrate, it is a complex food, right? It has to be broken down into simpler form by the process of digestion. But glucose, it is already in simpler form because it is the simplest form of carbohydrates, so it can be broken easily and gives energy. That's why we get instant energy from glucose. Next question, which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? You all know that food is absorbed in small intestine. Chewing of food is done in mouth with the help of teeth. Killing of bacteria in stomach contains acids which are very helpful in killing the bacteria. Complete digestion of food takes place in small intestine. Formation of feces in large intestine. Next question, one similarity and difference between nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Beta, the similarity, what is similarity in amoeba and human beings? They both have holozoic type of nutrition. Now what is the meaning of holozoic? Holozoic means heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which the organisms, it depends directly or indirectly on other organisms like green plants for their food supply, right? And holozoic, in heterotrophic nutrition, it in this process of nutrition, it involves the following 5 steps. And what are those 5 steps? Indigestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion, right? So what is the similarity? Similarity is this, that both the human beings and amoeba, they have heterotrophic type of nutrition, or holozoic means the same thing, holozoic type of nutrition. Now we'll see the difference. What is the difference? Human beings have complex structure for the indigestion, digestion, egestion of food, whereas amoeba, it has simple process in which it engulfs the food with the help of pseudopodia, and food gets trapped in food vacuoles. Amoeba, it is a single cell microscopic organism. It has no fixed shape. It has finger-like projections called pseudopodia, and amoeba engulfs its food with the help of pseudopodia, which stretch around the food and fuse with each other. This forms a vacuole in the cell called food vacuole. Right? Understood, beta? Difference, that human beings, they have complex structure for digestion of food, whereas for the nutrition, whereas amoeba, they have simple process, right? Now next question number 12, you have to match column A with B. First is salivary gland, you will match with saliva secretion. Stomach, it release acids. Liver, bile juice secretion. Rectum, storage of undigested food. Small intestine, complete digestion takes place here. Large intestine, absorption of water and release of feces. Now question number 13, you have to label the diagram of digestive system. All the parts, like this part is stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. This all you have to label. This is the diagram of human digestive system. You will label all the parts here. Question number 14, can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables? Grass, discuss. So students, you all know that we cannot survive only on raw leafy vegetables, because to lead a healthy and balanced life, we need a balanced diet. We need a complete balance of all the nutrients. We cannot survive only on eating raw vegetables, because raw green vegetables, they may have cellulose, and this cellulose, it is not digested by human beings, right? This cellulose, it is only digested by ruminants. What are ruminants? Ruminants are the grass eating animals like cow, sheep, deer, etc. And why we cannot digest cellulose? Why ruminants can digest cellulose? Because ruminants, they can digest cellulose with the help of bacteria present in their digestive system. They are adapted to do so with the help of their four-chambered stomach. The digestion in these animals takes place in two steps that I have explained you earlier. So the only green leafy vegetables, it will not solve our purpose. We need a balanced diet, balance of all the nutrients to lead a healthy life. So that completes our chapter. I have explained you the chapter as well as the NCERT questions answers. I have given you assignments. I hope you all have completed. Now start learning the chapter. Thank you.